Sorry guys, show the camera. Okay, are you too lazy to push the microwave on the number on the button? Thanks, because you're like, oh, my fingers, you know. You know what I'm saying, right? Well, just take your object, whatever it happens to be, like, let's just say, how about a piece of chicken, alright? Piece of chicken, alright? Anyway, you put it in the microwave. Press your number. For me, it's 3. And you just go 4. You just go. Oh. Anyway, if you make it, you'll actually start the microwave. See what I mean? My gosh. Did you guys see that? And you got your crispy chicken. Ah! For my friends that said they wanted to see me do this,